Happy Women's Day to everyone. I think one thing that we need to struggle is the guilt. I'm not sure how many men will feel guilty about leaving a 3-month-old baby at home or a 4-month-old baby at home, and the guilt doesn't go away. It doesn't become any better. The guilt remains. My daughter is almost 21 now. I still feel guilty about something I have not done, so the guilt doesn't go. But what women need to recognize is that, and I should actually mention a book I had read ages ago. It's called Lean In by Sheryl Sandberg. A lot of you may have heard it, where she talks about if you want to be at the table, you better step up. That if you want to, I think the glass ceiling, the guilt, and what if I take that higher job? Will I have to travel that much more? Will I have to work late hours? Will my child suffer because of that? That is what holds women back. And that's a reality. But let's face it, you find a lot of support system which you can work on. And if you really want to be somewhere, you have to step up to the table literally. So I think one of the things that I want to leave as a thought is something my actually, as sharing a personal experience, my grandmother mentioned to me. Of course, she's long gone, but when I started my career, and she, please remember, she had come from an age where they were hardly educated, and she was the one who pushed through and said, no, you have to have a career. She just said one thing to me: no matter what you do in life, make sure the choice is in your hands. So the power to choose is a very important power. So make yourself so capable that the choice is yours. I have something my daughter gave me this morning on Women's Day. Life doesn't rhyme. Get caught in the rain, laugh out loud when you're alone, go on adventures and get lost. I don't know if she means that I should get lost, but never mind. Paint even though you're not an artist. Really get to know people. Accept that you will fail. Get your heart broken and put the pieces back together. Put your hand up only to get the answer wrong. Wonder about things. Learn. Remember that sunrises are free. Let little things that would ordinarily bore you suddenly thrill you. Work on bad hair days. Okay? Try out for the team. Have feelings for friends. Believe that everything happens for a reason. Look at the stars and finally realize how small you are. Travel for a year and the world differently, and look at the world differently when you come back. So I think there's a hidden message here that she wants me to go somewhere. But never mind, I think I'm getting the gist of it. More importantly, it says never regret anything. At one time, it was exactly what you wanted. Forgive and forget. And live life for the music and the moments, because nobody lives forever and life is really, really short.